Hello everyone and welcome to the Selenium Python framework series. In this session, we will learn to handle the Chrome password manager. So let's begin. First, let's understand what is the Chrome password manager, and then we will see how we can handle that one. So simply on the browser, just provide the username over here, provide the password and click login. So as soon as you click on the login, you will see this password manager over here. And here this basically appears for the security reasons, and if you try to locate this button you can't do it, but in automation testing we somehow need to handle this one. Either we can click on this one or somehow handle this one. So in order to handle this one, what we need to do is that we need to use the Chrome browser options. Okay, so let's click on OK over here right now and go to the PyCharm. And here in the config file we have this Chromedriver. So here basically what we need to do is that we need to create a Chrome options object, and in order to do that what we need to do is that we need to import the Chrome options. So basically what I need to do is that I need to import from selenium.webdriver.chrome.options, and from that basically I need to import the options. Now once we have imported this one, so what we need to do is that we need to create a Chrome options object. Based on that, basically what we will do is that we will set the Chrome browser options. So we will be opening the browser with certain options. So what I'll do is that let's create the object. So options equals to options, and once we have this Chrome options object, now using that one what we can do is that we can use to disable this particular manager. We can stop the Chrome from offering to save the password, fully disable the password manager, stop Chrome from showing the password leak. So we can set these options over here. So simply what we need to do is that here using this one, so ops dot add experimental option, this one add underscore experimental option, and here we need to set the preferences. So in double quote prefs preferences, comma, and in the braces, so inside the braces we need to provide those preferences. So first thing is that we need to stop Chrome from offering to save the password. So how we can do that? So simply what we need to do is that we need to provide in double quote credentials underscore enable underscore service, and this particular needs to be false. Okay, we need to set this as false. After that, what we need to do is that we need to fully disable the password manager. So for that we'll say file dot password underscore manager underscore enabled, and again this needs to be false, right? And the third thing is that we need to stop the Chrome from showing the password leak. So again in a similar way we say profile dot password underscore manager underscore leak underscore detection, and again this needs to be false. So all options are in the false state right now. So what we need to do is that here in the driver, we need to initialize this Chromedriver, WebDriver, with the above options, right? So this is the purpose is that we are opening the Chrome browser with the certain options we are setting for this one. Now, basically, in order to handle this password manager, what our approach is that we are setting up the options in the Chrome in such a way so that this pop-up should not appear. That's the simple idea behind this one. Okay, so once we have this option, so what we need to do is that we need to go here and say options equals to which options we are talking about. We are talking about these options. Now we see some code errors. So what I'll do is that instead of fixing it manually, simply we'll use the power of the AI. So simply I'll copy this part of the code from here and let's go to the ChatGPT. I'll say fix the code and just provide this one over here. So basically you are very close. The main issues are the indentation and the missing imports. So basically we have already imports this one. So basically if I go here and show you, so we have already have this import, and here the main purpose is the code intention. So what I'll do is that, so simply go here and copy this part of the code from here, and again you see that this is the same code, just spacing and code intention. So simply if I go back here and here this part of the code and paste it with this one. Now you see that the error has been fixed. Now what I'll do is that before executing the test, what I need to do is that simply go here in the login test basically. So simply I'll put some static time right now, time dot sleep, and in 5 seconds. Now what I'll do is that let's run this one and see what if we can face this password manager or not. So let's run this one and see what happens here. So here you see that we haven't received this password manager, the Chrome password manager, because what we have done is that we have handled this through the Chrome options over here. So these were the options which we used in order to handle this one. If I remove this code and run this one, so what happens is that we will receive that particular Chrome password manager. And once we have that manager, we cannot interact with the other elements. So our script will eventually fail. So that's why it is really mandatory to handle this password manager.